Okay, come with me today as I make my baby's food. Today I'm trying out something new, and that is cauliflower, broccoli, and spinach. So I'm going to do something different. So watch as I do this, and I'll give you the results and tell you if my baby liked it or not. So I'm going to put some water and then put on the stove. Okay, this is how it is looking like. As it's getting ready, I'm going to give it like just 2 minutes. Then I do the other thing. I put it in the baby's blender, blend it, and then we'll see what happens. As it's boiling, I'll make the egg. That's 1, 2. Since this is for the baby, I'm not including anything. Yeah, I've not yet given her like stuff like salt, sugar, anything like ingredients or spices. So I'll just do this, and then when it's done, I'll now go and blend the vegetables. Okay, I'll open it. Okay, I'll put it in. That's it. As I'm blending, I'll put the pan on here on the stove so that it dries up, so that I can put something. I normally put ghee, like traditional African ghee Uganda for her. I don't put anything apart from that. So that's what I'm gonna do as I blend here. Okay, not in, just 1 second. I put it in. Then I'll say blend. Few minutes to be ready. It's almost ready. I'll just put it a little bit more for 1 second. Now it's ready. I'll open and show you how it looks like. That's how it looks like. Very green. Now I remove this blender and start the process. Now I'm going to use this. I told you I'm using ghee, African ghee. Yeah, just a little bit. It's ready. This is how it looks like. I'll put the egg now. Now add the egg. I'll stir it a little bit. And see how it comes out. Okay, this is how it's looking like. Very green. You can't even see the eggs. I'm hoping she likes it. See? I'm not going to make it so dry because it's for the baby. So now, this is it. I'll see what happens and I'll give you the feedback of how she did. So remember, I use broccoli, cornflour. Normally, I love testing my baby's food to see how it has come out. I don't want to give my baby things that are not tasty, even though there is no spices. So that's what I do. It's good. I'm now putting it in the baby dishes. These ones here, I've shown them before, so they're not new. Hey people, this is the end result for the baby food. This is how it looks like. Remember how we started from spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, and everything. And I've also added some avocado for her to have a little bit of like fresh vegetable. So have fun, try it out, and let me know what you think. Did your baby eat it or not? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.